Up for sale, 1980 Camaro Z28. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 80 Camaro Z28, finished in 2007 GM Laser Blue with black interior. 355 small block, turbo 350 trans, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, AC, fuel injection, and more. As always, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, when anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we will start here in the front as always. And super cool car. I love the custom-ish color, at least for the year. The nice factory interior on it. I love the upgrades. I love the look. Nice offset with the wheels. But anyway, starting here on the front, you see like a couple, oh, that came off. I think some of this might be buffing compound, any little white dots. Nice in the front, you do see a little mark right there where the license plate goes. But the paint, the quality of it is super nice. Body's super straight. Then again, there are going to be some, you know, little blemishes from use and enjoyment, because when you build something this cool, you're going to drive it. That lines up really nice. There, we see a little something there. Two little things there. No cracks in the glass. All your trim is nice all the way around. Fitment is nice. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. I'm going to lay my phone down. I'm sorry for the background noise. They got a refrigerator truck over there, or with the motor for the refrigerator. Anyway, 355 Edelbrock EFI aluminum intake. It's got the Pro-Flo Edelbrock fuel injection system on top. I did take a picture of that. That will be on the ad. You can see the March serpentine system here. Headers, 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust, vintage AC, power brakes, master cylinder for the power four-wheel disc brakes. The rear disc brakes are factory disc brakes for a Trans Am. The rear end is out of a Trans Am, 3.08 ratio. So now you got four-wheel disc brakes. That's super nice. Really nice aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Everything's tidy, all the wiring and all that. Borgeson power steering, if you can read that down there. Aluminum heads. Love the way these are finished, the inner fender wells on both sides. I love the valve covers. Everything is just, there's an ant on me. Everything is nice, even up there. All painted nice. And of course, it's turnkey. I will power steering. I know I mentioned that. Dakota digital gauges that were done 260 miles ago. The tires are 2022. They have less than 500 miles on them. Trim tag is in place. I will have a picture of that on the ad. It's a 355, like I said, high lift cam, number 525, trick flow aluminum heads with roller rockers. And like I said, March serpentine pulleys. There's a dyno video from 2012 which shows it at 350 horse, 370 torque. Turbo 350 trans, like I said. It's a new ECT radiator and dual electric fans with wiring. That was done in 2023. The pipes, 2.5-inch stainless dual exhaust with crossover, was 2022. The fuel injection system, I assume as well, the intake, that was 2023. The rear end and the four-wheel disc brakes, that get, you know what I mean, the back, 2022. Brake booster master cylinder, 2022. Water pump radiator hoses, 2023. The vintage AC was installed by the previous owner. I just got that whole system going. That works beautifully. Dakota digital gauges, that was 2023, which shows 260 miles. That's how many it's been since the gauges were put in. Hotchkiss subframe connectors, QA1 coilovers in the front and QA1 adjustable shocks in the rear, 2023. New factory replacement HD leaf springs in the rear, I guess heavy duty, that was 2023. Again, I mentioned the tires, they were 2022. They're new, less than 500 miles on them. The whole underhood was rewired last year during the EFI installation. And then again, the 2007 GM laser blue paint. So you'll get this. And again, I got the build sheet, and I'll show you that in the other paperwork when I get into the car. But let's start here, going down the front. I already showed you that. This is like a little bit of buffing compound on there. See like a little touch up on that door edge there. But the door lines up nice all the way down. Lines up really nice to the rocker in the back and nice to the quarter. Your VIN dash is nice. It's got a little custom dash material. I'll show you that when we get to it. Nice finish in there. And on top, two little marks right there. But anyway, I said this door lines up. See some handprints, some fingerprints, I'm sorry. Lines up nice there. And then here, some little miscellaneous stone chips. Again, that's the whole, I don't want to say the whole idea, but that's there preventing everything. Nice look. Just like Trans Ams, it happens. Going on to the interior. New seat covers, new door panels. These are new, we just put them on. The visors are new, we just put them on. Nice metal in here and a nice finish as well. Newer weather stripping, I would say. Clean in here. Oops. There we go. Nice clean carpet. You got floor mats. Nice steering wheel. That looks like new. I kind of like the dash. I like a more material look. You got like a carbon fiber console in here too. That looks nice, like a nice material as well. The radio works. All the gauges work. Vintage air controls there. Horn works. Your build sheet, a lot of options actually. Summit, New Jersey. It's where the ex-girlfriend is from. We don't talk about her though. A lot of paperwork in here. I took a picture of them. A lot of paperwork in here as well. Cup holder. And you do have seat belts in the front. See at the shoulder strap seat belt, and then right here you got that one, and the same thing on this side. It's a little hard to see in the pictures. Headliner, like new. Back seat looks super nice. No speakers put in the back. I'm impressed by that. Make sure I got the keys. I see Bosch in there. Couple little marks right there, but then down here is super nice. You know, some minor stone chips. Couple little touch-ups and stone chips on this piece there. But that lines up nice. Touch-up and a larger touch-up right there. Couple very minor marks. Lines up nice. Some little white specks. I think these could be buffed out. We went over it. He might have missed this spot because I could feel them on the paint. So those would come off, and I'll probably go with by hand and remove them. Battery's been moved to the trunk. Nice solid trunk pan in here. What can we find out? Feel like original quarters. Look like original quarters. I would say they are. Oh yeah, I can see a stamping there. I'm not seeing one here, but I'm also not feeling a replacement or anything cut in. It's got the same feeling as this side. Little marks on this edge again. I know there's just a couple little stone chips on that lower panel. A little mark there. Ding there, and a little chip right there. And I think I already mentioned it, stone chips on this again, as expected. But anyway, we'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to check it out, let us know. 80 Camaro Z28. A little bit of a resto mod, I would say. I would say so. 355 with fuel injection. Turbo 350 trans. Power 4-wheel disc brakes. Power steering. Vintage air. Build sheet, paperwork, and more. Little touch-up right there. If you didn't see that right there, I'm pointing to. I know a couple other little marks on that door edge. And I know there's some little minor stone chips behind this wheel. But just wait till you get in this car with us and see it go around the block and just actually see it go by. It looks awesome going down the road, and it's turnkey. Like drive it anywhere, honestly. Thank you, and we are gonna get to the driving now.